everyone, welcome in this video. I'm Humaira and this is my friend Ilma and Fauzia. So we are going to talk about volcanism and magmatism. If you are unfamiliar with this word, try to imagine a mountain erupting. I'm sure all of you must know that phenomenon. Okay, without any further ado, let's discuss one by one. First is volcanism. Volcanism is the process of magma escaping the Earth's core, cooling and forming hard rocks. The volcano itself is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gas escape. Volcanism takes place above the Earth's surface. When a volcano erupts, hot lava flows can be slow and continue for many years. Next, how about the volcanic process? The trigger for eruption may be the ascent of new magma into the chamber from below. As the chamber swells, its roof cracks, allowing gases at the top of the magma to expand and propel the molten rock to the surface. Magma from the mantle or lower crust rises through its course towards the surface. If the magma reaches the surface, its behavior depends on the viscosity of the molten constituent rock.
There are two basic elements of a volcano, which are the volcanic core and the central core. Based on its activity, the volcano is divided into three. The first is active volcano, which is the one that has erupted in recorded history. The second is dormant volcano, which have no evidence of eruption but shows the recent activity. And the last is the extinct volcano, which shows no signs of eruptions and long-term withering. Based on its appearance and eruption types, we have stratovolcano and shield volcano. Stratovolcano with the steep slopes and explosive eruption, while shield volcano with the gentle slopes and quiet eruption. Explosive eruption here means that it's violent or destroyed volcano, while the quiet eruption means that it's non-violent or build up the volcano. What comes out of volcano? First is volcanic gases, a mixture made mostly of steam, carbon dioxide, and a sulfur compound. The second is lava, the name of magma when it emerges and flows over the surface. And the last is tephra, particle of solid material of all shapes and size ejected and thrown through the air.
Next is magmatism.
Magmatism is the emplacement of magma within and at the surface of the outer layer of a terrestrial planet, which solidifies as igneous rocks. Magmatism does so through magmatic activity or igneous activity, the production, intrusion, and extrusion of magma or lava.
Volcanism is the surface expression of magmatism. Magmatism is one of the main processes responsible for mountain formation, as new ascending magmas produce additional mass and volume to the Earth's surface and subsurface. Magma forms by partially melting of silicate rocks either in Earth's mantle, the continental, or the oceanic crust. In order for rock to liquefy into magma, the temperature has to be very high and the pressure must also be relatively low compared with other areas in the mantle.
Most magma arises through partial melting of the source or parent rock regardless of composition.
Now let's talk about viscosity. Viscosity controls the rate of magma flow in response to a given pressure change and the rate at which gas bubbles and solids move through magma. Viscosity of magma is highly dependent on temperature and composition. The higher the temperature, the lower the viscosity. However, the higher silica content, the higher the viscosity. The greater the viscosity, the harder it is to get a material to flow. Low viscosity magmas, such as some basalt, can form very long lava flows very rapidly. In contrast, rhyolite magmas are viscous enough to limit bubble movement. Rather than escaping by buoyantly rising through the magma, gas bubbles are trapped in rhyolite magmas, expand, and eventually create very explosive eruptions.
Alright, that's all for this topic. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.